Okay, so first of all, this thing just keeps popping up and making annoying noises. I don't know what to do about it, so I'm just gonna ignore it. Sorry if it annoys you. So I did not do a very good job on this website. I'm just gonna tell everyone that right now. It was not a very good. Hold on. I gave up on using Zoom for the record. I apologize for that. So I am just gonna sit here and do nothing. Hold on. Hopefully this thing is still. Tell me this thing is still. Okay, hopefully this is still recording. Please tell me it's still recording. I accidentally put it on pause. So, this is the home page. It's not very good. It needs to be better designed. This needs a lot of work. Like I said before, it just, I fell behind pretty hard. Okay. So, this is the history in paragraph form page, and it should have been merged down here with the history in photograph page. But at this point, I didn't care about it enough. I'm just gonna fix it later and just resubmit it. This is the news page. I thought this looked okay. I thought the negative space here was okay. I thought this looked okay. Down here would have been an assessment rules link to the PDF page. People on Google Hangouts are still popping up. This is the contacts page. I thought it turned out okay. I don't like this negative space over here though. Okay. Oh, I went back to that, sorry. Here's the links page. I don't like this. I don't like that. I don't like this. This needs work. Okay, and this is where all the photos went. They're sloppily put together. I acknowledge that. Just everything is sort of aligned in a really hideous way. Um, Here's the treasury page. Again, I didn't put hot links on these. I didn't care at all about doing it for every single little page. I couldn't, might rip my hair out. What's left of it anyway. So this is my contact information. I should have made this all one box. That's why it looks a little off down here. I'm kind of okay with this page. I don't like this negative space, but I think it looks fine. I am thinking that the information needs to be organized a little better. Um, the voting precinct is not something that I'm proud of at all. I hated how this turned out. I thought it would look better. This is just ugly. I don't like it. It's all blocky. If I could do it, I'm gonna do it over again, and I would like your advice on this, but this was hideous and I acknowledge it. So that is my website. It needs a lot of work. I will fix it though. I will take your advice, and I think that's the end of this recording. Actually, no, that's not the end of this recording. So I'm gonna go through my pages one more time and see if I can point out any other mistakes. I don't like this. This turned out wrong. That turned out wrong. I need to organize my paragraphs better. Ooh. This is probably wrong, and I need to do more with the homepage. Maybe this is wrong. Okay, okay, that turned out wrong. Down here, I acknowledge that. I need to fix that. Um, okay, I forgot to add that in there. I put little bullet points up in here, and this turned out wrong. Again, this is just hideous. I'm sorry, but this is an insult to graphic design. Treasury. So I thought it would be a good idea to italicize some of the more like warning stuff. That's wrong. I screwed that up down there. And that's wrong. I screwed that up down there. Behold, Design Zilla. It's the hideous block from down the Black Lagoon Lane.